All right, we have a question here. It says, I have a question for you. I received letters that I'm being sued by a debt collector, so I hired a lawyer as I know I don't know the ins and outs of the system and want to make sure it's properly done. The case was filed electronically on the 12th of July and haven't been served as of yet. The court hearing is scheduled for August 30th. What happens if I never get served, as this is starting to make me nervous? And I don't know what answering deadline is for Missouri, and I haven't been served officially. I'm concerned it's going to come certified mail, but the way the mailboxes are set up, I had packages put in the wrong box and got stolen. Okay, um, very good question. If you did hire a lawyer, says here, sued by collector, so I hired her. So you hired a lawyer. Your lawyer should be following up on that to make sure that you do get properly served, number one. And also, if you don't get properly served, that could be a way of putting off the case once you have your hearing on the 30th. Your lawyer would have to kind of go over that with you and see the options. Other things that I want you to be aware of is with the amount, it must be a huge amount. You didn't put it here, but it must be a huge amount for you to hire a lawyer, because if you hired one, they're going to charge a certain amount. And I just want you to be aware that if the amount is less or around what you're paying a lawyer, then you might want to reconsider hiring a lawyer. You might be looking at doing this yourself. What you could do is, and what I'm thinking maybe it happened is that they filed. Well, if you have a hearing date, it's going to be coming in the mail. If you want to be proactive about it, which you should be, you or your attorney need to go ahead and go to the courthouse or see how you can download the summons so you can submit your answers, and you should have your attorney submit the answers. That attorney should be submitting uh, responses on the answers to everything that's on there, including challenging anything that they may not have complete, such as your complete account number, the amounts that they're claiming, the full amount. You want to have all of the charges with your signature or digital signature proving that you made all of those charges, everything, interest rate, balances, original contract, everything. If it's a third party debt collector, you want to have your attorney prove the relationship between you and that third party debt collector. They're going to probably have an affidavit saying that they purchased it from the original creditor or been assigned from another debt collection company. That's not good enough. Yes, that's part of what is needed, but that's not good enough. You want to make them go further than that. You want to get the complete master file of showing your complete account number, that it was purchased and the amount that it was purchased for, so they can prove full claim. Uh, this is something that you should push and fight for. Not to say that you'll always win when that happens, but you could at least push them back on their heels to where they'll say, okay, maybe we should move into doing a settlement, a good, generous settlement offer on that account. And if it's an account that you know that you had, that would be the way to stand up on it, is to say, hey, had financial problems, but I'm willing to work out something to get this taken care of. That would be the way that you would handle it. So don't be fearful about what's going to happen. Just be proactive and see what information they have, see what evidence they're going to submit to the court to prove that you owe that debt, and then just have your attorney break it apart one by one. In whatever is proven. Whatever isn't, he or she'll negotiate back and forth and see what type of settlement can be worked out. If it looks like it's not going to go your way, I do have some documents that are available for anyone that's watching this video that wants to do that process without hiring an attorney. I'll walk you through step by step with step by step videos and the documents, the three documents that you'll need to at least have a fighting chance if you have a third-party debt collector trying to sue you. And even if you have an original creditor, at least you could challenge everything about what they're claiming, the amounts that you owe. All right, I'm going to end the video here. This is, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. If you can follow that process, we invite you to become a client. If not, please choose another company. If you need your credit reports and scores, please visit the number three scores.com. You can get all three credit reports, all three scores. And if you decide to work with us, that is the monitoring service that we worked out a deal with that links right in to our application that we use. If you need the cease and desist collection activities letter, the statute of limitations letter, and the debt validation letter, those links are also below this video. All right, thanks a lot. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you, and until next time.